Hello creators, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of backgrounds in your presentation. In this tutorial, we'll show you 3 simple methods to set images and videos as your slide backgrounds in no time. Let's get started. Alright folks, let's start with method number 1 for image backgrounds. Open your slide and head over to the left sidebar to Stock Photos. Find the perfect image and simply drag and drop it around the edge of the slide. You'll notice the edge highlights and a background preview before you even release the mouse button. Now, onto method number 2. Add your desired image to the slide and ensure it's selected. Next, head over to the right sidebar panel and click the Set as Slide Background button. Cool, your background is set. Alright, method number 3, for those who love shortcuts. Add your image to the slide and select it. Now, right-click on the image and choose Set as Slide Background from the pop-up menu. Simple and effective. Fantastic! Now, let's talk about customization. On the right sidebar panel, you'll find options under Background Image Fill Mode. Here you can experiment with settings. Want to crop your background? Choose the Crop Background option. You can zoom in, adjust, and hit Enter to save. Ever heard of the Ken Burns effect? Enable it and customize the options. But for now, let's stick with what we have here and see the preview. Alright creators, let's switch gears to video backgrounds. Head to Stock Videos on the left sidebar and pick your video. Now, for method number 1, just like with images, drag and drop the video around the slide's edge. The slide edge will light up and you'll get a sneak peek before releasing. Onto method number 2. Add your video. Ensure it's selected. Then visit the right sidebar panel. Click Set as Slide Background and voila! Your video background is ready. And now method number 3. Add your video, select it, right-click, and from the pop-up menu, select Set as Slide Background. Seamless, right? Let's take a moment to preview your new video background slides. They're looking absolutely fantastic. Stay tuned because in a future tutorial, we'll delve into the specific options available for video backgrounds. That's a wrap for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating and keep dazzling.